To send money from Cash App to Cash App, start by opening the Cash App on your mobile device and logging into your account. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information and linking a funding source such as a bank account or credit card. Once you are logged in, tap the $ icon at the bottom of the screen to access the send and receive money options. Enter the amount you want to send and tap the Pay button. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's information, which can be their phone number, email address, or their unique Cash App username, known as a cashtag. If the recipient is already in your contact list, you can select their name from the list. Otherwise, you can manually enter their phone number or email address. You also have the option to add a note to the payment, which can help the recipient understand the purpose of the transaction. After entering the recipient's information, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Check the amount, the recipient's information, and the funding source you are using to send the money. If everything is correct, tap the Pay button to complete the transaction. The money will be instantly transferred from your Cash App account to the recipient's account, and they will receive a notification about the transaction. It is essential to note that you need to have sufficient funds in your account to complete the transaction. If you do not have enough money in your account, you can add funds by linking a bank account or credit card. It is also crucial to be aware of the fees associated with sending money through Cash App. While most transactions are free, some may incur a small fee, depending on the funding source and the type of account you have. To avoid any potential issues, make sure you understand the fees and terms of service before sending money. In addition to sending money, Cash App also offers other features such as investing in stocks and buying and selling Bitcoin. The app is user-friendly and provides a secure way to manage your finances. By following these steps and understanding the features and terms of Cash App, you can easily send money to friends, family, or anyone else with a Cash App account.